What's up, online shoppers? I've got some of my favorite little beauty sponges here, and I want to do a quick FAQ with you so you know why you want the Real Techniques Miracle Sponges. So here are these awesome little Real Techniques Miracle Sponges. These are my favorite sponges of all time, and I love them. And I love them for a few different reasons. First of all, I've been using them for about 5 years, and I definitely wouldn't go back to using any other sponges. I love how well they wash up. I love all the cute little colors that you get with them, and I love the really thoughtful design. There is a lot of actual design engineering that goes into this. For one, they've got this really great flat surface here that's so good for coverage, just like that. As well, they have this really great rounded edge, which is great for blending, and then this tiny little tip here, and even tinier here for getting into those small areas that demand precision and a soft, very attentive touch. Now, some of these sponges I've had for a while, you can't even tell by looking at them. They haven't stained, they wash up really easy, and all I use is a little bit of baby soap. Now, if you want to, you can also use the Real Techniques cleansing gel that they have for their sponges and brushes, but truthfully, baby soap works just as well. First question, how much do these stain? Well, these orange ones here, they are fresh out of the package, but these little ones right here, I've had for a while, and they've been through a wash multiple times, and they look just as nice as the day I took them out of the package. Second question, which of these do you prefer? Well, this is my preference. I've tried out quite a few different beauty blenders, and I come back to the Real Technique ones all the time. I do say that the e.l.f. beauty blenders are a close second, but these Real Techniques are absolutely my favorite. Third question, how strong is the sponge in here? Well, I will tell you, I don't find that these shred or rip at all. Because they have such tiny, tiny, fine pores, they actually stand up to all of the abuse of the squishing and the friction and the rubbing and the squeezing and the cleaning. They stand up really well, so these are durable. Fourth question, what's my favorite way to clean these? Well, there's a couple different ways that you can clean them. I always seem to have baby soap on hand because I find it works really well with all the rest of my beauty brushes and my blenders. However, you can also use hot water and Castile soap. Just make sure to rinse it well because you don't want the soap interacting with any of your makeup. Fifth question, any special tips for using these beauty blenders? Well, I've been using these for a while, and I find that everything goes better when the sponge is just the tiniest little bit damp. A little bit of water in here helps all of the makeup spread a little bit better. Just make sure it's not too wet because then you're actually watering down the product. But I do find a damp sponge is better for application. Question number 6, why would you need different sizes? Well, a couple different things. First of all, these little Miracle Minis come in a pack of 4. I think you can get them in a larger pack too, but just having them come in the pack themselves, they fit so well in my gym bag that instead of having a big full-size makeup bag, I have these little tiny ones in there, and that works out really well. Of course, it also works really well if you're a traveler and you want to make sure you just pack light. These are small, they take up less space, although truly, these are so compressible, they're not going to take up a ton of space in your bag. I hope you found my little FAQ helpful. If you are looking for some really nice beauty sponges, these Miracle Complexion Sponges, both the regular size one and the mini, are awesome. I love the great colors, the density of the foam, how well they clean up, the precision I can get with the different sizes and sides of the blender. They are definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.